Alright, so for quarter 4, I'll be explaining rational equations. Alright, so let's start with a simple one. X over 3 plus 3 over 2 equals x over 6 plus 7 over 3. Alright, we can see that all of these are multiples of 6. Actually multiples or factors of 6. So what we would do here would be multiply every fraction by 6. And we see here 6 divided by 3 would be 2. So this would pass on to be 2x, and this cancels out because the 6 divided, we put the 6 here. So then it's 6x divided by 3, and that would be 2x. So then plus, and we do the same thing here. This, with this one, it cancels out. So it would end up to be 9. Because what we're trying to do here is cancel out the denominators. So then this divided by 2 would be 3. And then 3 times 3 is 9. Equals. Same thing. So this just automatically cancels out. So all we have left is an x. Alright, so then once again this cancels out. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 2 times 7 is 14. So then this is the equation we actually have to solve now. So we would do like 2x plus 9 equals x plus 14. We have common like terms. And, we have like terms here, like terms, so then we would be able to do something like negative x, and this cancels out, minus x, and then minus 9, which cancels out. So we're left with x is equal to 5. And that's our answer. Alright, let's see another example. Let's see, so we have 4 over x plus 3 over 4 equals 10 over x. Alright, so as we can see here, our two denominators are 4 and x. There's no common anything there. It's just those two. So what we would do would be to put 4x as a multiplier in every equation. So then we do this. The x cancels out this x there. So then we're left with 16, because 4 times 4. And then here, the 4 cancels out this 4. So then we're left with 3x. And then this x cancels this x out, and we're left with 40. So now we just gotta solve the equation. Minus 16, and 40 minus 16 is equal to 24. So then we have 3x is equal to 24. 3, and x is equal to 8. Alright, let's see another example, a bit more complicated this time. Let's see. 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2x minus 4 is equal to 1 over x minus 2. Alright, this time, this one has one more step that we need to go through. Alright, here we can factor that. So we take out a 2, and we're left with x minus 2. So then our equation would actually be 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2 parentheses x minus 2 equals 1 over x minus 2. But again, this 2 cancels out this 2. So then our actual equation is 3 over 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 1 over x minus 2. So let's erase all of that previous work because we don't need that anymore. So let's see. Alright, so now that we've gotten rid of that, we have to solve this equation. Alright, so our common denominators are 2 and x minus 2. So we write that in every single thing. Alright, so now this 2 cancels out, this cancels out, and this cancels out. So we're left, we have to multiply this to this, this to this, and this to this. So we're left with 3x minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 2. So now this, we just have to add it all up and then get the x by itself. So we do it like this. So we have negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. We add this 4 and we pass it on to here. So we have 3x is equal to 6. We divide this and x is equal to 2. And that's it for